What is agricultural science? When you have completed this lesson, you will be able to define agricultural science, identify the 4 major sciences involved with agricultural science, and identify the major areas of agricultural science. Agricultural science is the systematic study of natural events and conditions related to agriculture. Scientific subjects can be anything in the living or non-living world. We may think of agricultural science as mostly plants and animals, but it also includes the science applied to farm equipment, farm buildings, and chemical products. Science is limited, though, to phenomena people can observe, with or without instruments to aid observation. The earliest science investigations occurred before written words. Mathematics was limited to scratching notches on a bone or some other object at that time. Agricultural science today deals with a number of things such as measuring crop damage from a hailstorm, sequencing DNA samples, and observing the formation of new strains of bacteria in our food supply. All agricultural science subjects can be broken down into 4 areas: life science, earth science, physical science, and social science. Life science, or biology, is the study of living things. Life scientists may study anything from how plants produce food to how animals interact in the wild. Earth science, or geology, is the study of the surface and interior of Earth. An earth scientist may study how rocks form or what past events produced our soils. Physical science includes the subjects of physics and chemistry. Physicists and chemists study non-living matter and energy. Social science is concerned with society and the relationships among individuals within a society. The social sciences include, but are not limited to, economics, political science, management, psychology, sociology, law, and history. Agricultural science research is conducted in all of those areas. Before the 1960s, all fresh meat was sold over the counter as you see in the image to the left. Research was conducted during the 60s on the use of the type of packaging you see in the right image. Research showed the consumer preferred the new packaging. Research was also conducted on the food safety aspect with positive results. 3 important components of agricultural science include observation, mathematics, and measurement. About observation, this is an act or instance of viewing or noting a fact or occurrence. It was observed by early farmers that wheat must be harvested at a certain maturity. If it is harvested too soon, it will spoil, and if harvested too late, it will fall to the ground. Modern agricultural science observation might include elaborate recording equipment. For mathematics, we need to remember that data recorded may need to be analyzed by comparing sums or finding the average of something. More elaborate mathematics used for analyzing data is called statistics. For measurement, the more common measurements might include recording weight, volume, length, time, etc. The observations, measurements, and applying the mathematics will likely be the most time-consuming and the most important tasks of a scientific investigation. There are many areas of agricultural science. Agronomy is one of the major areas. Agronomy is the study of plants and how they relate to the soil. Horticulture science is the science of growing fruits, vegetables, flowers, or ornamental plants. Crop production is the science of growing crops for use as food, feed, and fiber. Forestry is the science of growing and using forests. Entomology is the scientific study of insects. Animal science is the study of the biology of animals that are under the control of humans. Poultry science is the study of raising chickens, turkeys, ducks, and related fowl. Aquaculture is the science of the farming of fish, crustaceans, mollusks, aquatic plants, algae, and other aquatic organisms. Environmental science is the study of the environment and the solution of environmental problems. Mechanical engineering technology is the science of the application of engineering principles and technological developments. Other sciences important to agriculture include biotechnology, chemistry, genetics, nutrition, food science, veterinary science, marketing science, and equine science, and the list includes many, many more. True or false? Agriculture is the industry engaged in the production of plants and animals for food, feed, and fiber, the provision of agricultural supplies and services, and the processing, marketing, and distribution of agricultural products. The correct answer is true. Multiple choice question. Systematic most nearly means A, scrambled, B, methodical, C, computerized, or D, automated. The correct answer is B, methodical. True or false? Agricultural science is the systematic study of natural events and conditions related to agriculture. The correct answer is true. Systematic study is methodical. In a later lesson, you will learn more about the method of scientific study called scientific method. Our definition of agriculture includes production of plants and animals for food, feed, and fiber, the provision of agricultural supplies and services, and the processing, marketing, and distribution of agricultural products. Agricultural science is conducted on all those activities. Multiple choice. The four major sciences involved with agriculture include A, life, earth, physical, and social, or B, social, math, physical, and earth, or C, earth, life, engineering, and social. The correct answer is A, life, earth, physical, and social sciences are the four main sciences. Multiple choice. To learn about the science of honeybees, a student should study A, agronomy, B, entomology, C, animal science, or D, equine science. The correct answer is B. Entomology is the study of insects and would include honeybees. Entomology is a life science. Multiple choice. To learn about the science of horses, a student should study A, agronomy, B, entomology, C, animal science, or D, equine science? The correct answer is D. Equine science includes the study of horse, donkey, and zebra. Equine science is a branch of animal science. Animal science is a life science. Multiple choice. To learn about the science of weeds, a student should study A. Agronomy, B. Entomology, C. Animal science, or D. Equine science. The correct answer is A. Agronomy. Agronomy is a life science. Multiple choice. What phrase best defines agricultural science? A. Study of living organisms. B. Observational study of pigs in a nursery. C. Systematic study of natural events and conditions. Or D. Recording data. The correct answer is C. Agricultural science is the systematic study of natural events and conditions related to agriculture. To summarize this lesson video, in this lesson you learned the definition of agricultural science. You learned the 4 major sciences involved with agriculture, and you learned to identify the major areas of agricultural science. For the lesson plan, with worksheets, lab exercises, crosswords, and answer keys, go to www.sparrenburgschool.com. Thanks for listening.